The good old Ford Focus Mk1, an innovative design and great safety features in a compact car made from 98 to 2005 in Europe. Let's not forget they introduced the contour blade rear suspension on this model. The Focus found a spot in many people's heart, being a pretty decent car for the money and mostly reliable. Mostly. Many people love this iconic hatch from the past. Even today, many people own a Ford Focus Mk1. As a Focus owner, I will tell you a few fun facts about these cars.
So, I know this car came with heated mirrors, but... Nope.
The heated mirror is on the rear defroster circuit. No separate button for it. In case your windows are fogging, if you turn the knob to that position, the AC will turn on automatically. Or, in case you turn it to that position and you turn the fan to position 3 or 4, the AC will kick in automatically to help with the defogging process. In case you want to turn on your AC manually, you only have to press that button. You can also unplug a wire in case you want to disable the automatic defogging feature. From the fuel cap cover to the front doors, the trunk, and even the hood. You can open up pretty much everything with the key in your Ford Focus Mk1. Running low on fuel, but you don't know. Don't worry, your trip computer will let you know if you need to visit the gas station. Some facelifted versions also came with sockets for footwell lights. On my car, I didn't see any sockets. Some cars in Asia were equipped with power folding mirrors. But nevertheless, you can use your Romanian skills to fold the mirrors out. If you like the Romanian solution, don't forget to smash that like button. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Maybe you want to subscribe to see more of my videos, but that's up to you. Drive carefully and have a nice day.